Ensure the cryogenic labels are secure before freezing.
Yes, doctor, they are all double-checked for the clinical trial.
The cytotoxicity levels are higher than expected in fraction 3.
We should increase the neutralization assay volume for the next run.
Look at the luminescence spike on the data readout. The reaction is strong.
Yes, passage 3 confirms the binding efficacy.
I'm drawing the post-reaction sample now.
The alpha neurotoxin is interacting exactly as hypothesized.
And if we look at the synthesis pathway here, the efficacy increases exponentially.
Agreed. This data is conclusive.
Yeah.
Check the parameters on line 3.
Readings are nominal. Synthesis is proceeding as expected.
The venom stability remains high, even after 3 months. Look at this data point.
Truly promising results. We can move forward with the next phase.
The venom neutralized the toxins completely.
Yes! It actually worked! This is incredible news. Well done, team.
The optical scanners are showing a slight variance here.
It's within acceptable parameters. The green indicator confirms successful synthesis.
Here is the anti-venom shipment. Please sign on the tablet.
Received. Thank you.
reactions. Snake venom is not just a poison, it's a library of life-saving compounds. Our work here at Bounce.
Keep the line moving, gentlemen. We need to maintain the cold chain. Next pallet up.
The medicine is working. Just relax and let it take effect.
You're looking much better this morning. The treatment is going smoothly.
Yes, I can feel the difference already.
I've secured the sample. The concentration here seems unusually high.
I agree. The tablet data confirms the genetic marker we're tracking.
Sir, a precise electrical pulse stimulates the venom glands. The resulting secretion is collected drop by drop.
The optimization is complete. The yield has increased by 20%.
Excellent. The black mamba peptides are stabilizing perfectly.
This breakthrough in venom research means we are one step closer to revolutionary treatments for chronic pain and inflammation.
Look at the reading on the far right. It's fluctuating again.
I've adjusted the robotic arm calibration. It should stabilize now.
The temperature is holding perfectly. Good. Good. I've updated the manifest for the G12 batch.
This molecular structure allows the synthetic venom to neutralize the toxins immediately.
Yeah.
As you can see, this
Cross-reference the thermal data with the manifest tech.
Confirmed, Manager. Vials are secure and temperature is nominal.